Here is the shortest episode of Caesar Cook Stuff to date. Carrot salad. Start with some carrots, peel them because carrot peels are bitter and yucky. I peeled 3 carrots. Grate them on a box grater, the larger side please. After you have grated them and made your wrist tired, you will have a messy cutting board, a messy countertop, and a bunch of grated carrots, which you then proceed to pour into a cereal bowl. After you have poured them into the cereal bowl, it's time to dress them. I like to allow about a half a lemon per carrot. I like my salad a little on the zestier side. Then to counterbalance that, add a little bit of sugar, and then some salt and some pepper. Stir it around, and it's done, and then you can behold its wonderful, easy to make, and healthy goodness.